Hi everyone! So we're here in NAIA Terminal 2. So we're boarding now, but we're taking our sweet time because we're not gonna line up there yet until we saw the last one. So we're not sitting together. It's okay. How many hours? How long is the flight? 2 hours. So the flight is 2 hours, and then we're gonna contact Dave in a few. So we're excited. So after the flight, no, after we arrive in Jansan, we're gonna drive going to the paragliding. So that's why our outfit is like this. And we have swimsuit underneath, so we're good to go. So see you guys in a bit. Bye. We arrived at Jensen around 8, but their car, what do you call it? Nasiraan, sige.
Tumirik.
I forgot the English word for that. So there's something happened sa car nila Dave, so we need to book a taxi, and then we tried to book an in-drive and grab, but it's not working. So we found Kuya po, guwapo. Say hi, Kuya. Hi, si Kuya Mike. Yeah, that's Kuya Michael, and then he's bringing us to paragliding, Sarangani paragliding, and then what they call this? So Dave and Ira, they won't do the paragliding, so it's gonna be me and Ate. So they will meet us there, and then we'll see how it goes. So see you guys in a bit. Kaganda. See, kaya mas gusto ko yung pumunta sa ganito kaysa yung sa mga busy na area. Ganda natin.
Parang fresh ko naman dyan.
Kuya, okay lang masama ka sa video?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, kuya, tara dito kuya. Ano pong pangalan niyo, kuya?
Ito si Rim.
Rim?
Yeah.
Rim? Ano pong pangalan ng Sorhai?
Yung
right?
Sorhai, ito yung page namin, Sorhai
Yeah,
Paragliding.
ilalagay ko po dito.
So, yun. Isa ako sa nag-pilot dito. So,
Oh, so akala ko po sabay kami. So okay lang po na isa-isa and then
ayos. Okay lang, isa-isa. After ng mga 15 minutes, isa naman.
oh, okay po, that's good. Yeah.
Depende sa pilot.
Okay po.
Iman, basta kabisado.
Ikaw pa yung nakasunod taxi ba?
Ha?
Oo.
Kayo po ang kasama, Kuya Rem?
Dahil, ako yung head na
Ah,
pilot. So, maglipad sa'yo yung
si Kuya po.
si Pilot Mike.
Wow!
Kuya Mike! Nagtatagalog po ba si Kuya Mike?
Oh. At English, pwede.
Yeah.
Okay. So, dapat i-bend mo yung feet mo na makaupo ka. Ganyan.
Okay. Tapos ito po, nasa above the knee?
Okay lang ito ma'am, kasi ganito talaga yan. Kasi
I'm,
without
okay
clearance.
po, okay po.
So, papakibaba yung tali ma'am, para
Ay.
sa helmet.
Ano na lang po, okay lang naman po na lugay.
Sige, go.
Wait lang po, kuya. Ay, paano ba ito? Ate pa ako. Wait lang, sorry. Lord, love niyo ako, Lord, di ba?
Oh my God!
Hindi ako.
Hindi pa siya maglaland kasi nakadepende siya sa hangin. Yung may tent.
Grabe. Thank you po.
How was it?
Wait lang, hilo pa ako.
Dugay ka sa karo.
Dugay kayo.
Dinay.
Yan, muraga mahangin naman.
Hilo ako. It was good. Kuya, thank you po. Thank you, kuya. Safe ako. So, I just finished my flight. I'm jet lag. He said that the wind is not that... What is it, kuya? Like, it's not that strong. Yung wind po kanina. Kaya ano, mahirap mag-land.
Medyo hindi pa siya gaano kalakas.
Ah.
Mahina pa ba?
Yeah, but actually it feels good. And then he told me that like usually paragliding is like they go on the side of the mountain only. They don't go all the way to the beach side because it's not safe too. And then he said you need like a motor for that one. And then it took us like probably 25 minutes the ride, but it was so good. It's so worth it. And then right now my head is spinning, so I was like earlier I think like the last 10 minutes I'm not saying anything because I feel so dizzy. I don't want to throw up there. But it was good. Look, this is our service. So iba talaga pag maganda may service kami.
Pretty privilege.
So it's Kuya Rem. He will drive us all the way to the entrance because Dave couldn't drive here because look at this road. Look at this bumpy road. And I'm not sure. You know what? If you didn't saw any videos that I did the paragliding, it means I did it wrong. I recorded it wrong. Kasi I clicked single video, single lens. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to use the 360. Because like during the trip in Batangas, I didn't use it. So I tried to use the drone, but I'm so scared. So I'll use it like soon, maybe in the beach. So I feel more safe and comfortable doing it. So let's go. Let's go. We're here. Say hi, Dave. Finally. Say hi, Ira.
Welcome to Mindanao.
Mindanao. Akala na makikidap na kami.
May gera ba? May gera ba?
Walang gera. So it's a proof na we're safe here.
Yeah, we're safe.
No, actually, lahat ng tao, like, they're willing to help. Kahit dun sa airport pa lang. Kasi hindi namin alam, like, what to book and stuff. Like, may guard na parang, tinutulungan talaga kami, ganon. Pati yung, pati din yung driver ng taxi. Oh, Dave, ang bait niya. So, did you know that all the beach resort here in Mindanao, there's an entrance fee, and then mostly, if you are driving going there, the driver is free. Dave, bakit sila free?
Consideration.
Usually sa mga driver kasi hindi na nagapasok sa resort.
Oh, taga-drop off lang.
Diyan na ako tapos pa.
Yeah.
Gets. Kaya nung nagpunta kami ng ng Aurora, yung ibang food doon, like restaurant, free yung
Driver.
Meron ganyan. Tapos
Wow.
yung mga
So I forgot my mic. So now we're here in Casamia Beach with Ate, and then Dave and Ira, they went to grab some food because there's no food store here. So this is how it looks. Like that. Kaganda. But it's low tide, so you need to walk all the way there just to swim. That's the one that you need to be careful, and this one too. Ito, hindi sila nakakain. Lahat na lang kinakain.
ay dito kinakain ako kasi tumitigas to pag pag naging elder na siya, like that one, elder na siya eh. Matigas na yan.
Oh.
Parang nagiging bato na sa katagalan.
Yeah. I learned something. So if it is low tide, it's unas. And then if it is high tide, it's taob.
Taob.
Yeah. Taob, di ba kuya in Tagalog?
Sa atin yung taob yung pag ganon.
Opo.
Tama yun.
So, that's Bisaya.
Oo, ganun. Bisaya term yun.
Kuya, ano to? Seashell ba to?
Oo. Saan yan? Saan? Yan ang saan?
Ano yun? not bring it sa sa airplane.
Mabaho.
Yeah.
Bago lang namatay.
Tsaka, can I touch it there? So cute.
Bago lang namatay. Man siya. Still na naman. Safe naman siya.
Look. Found one. They found one.
Blue starfish.
I know. Pwede ka itong going keychain. Say hi, Kuya Jimboy. I'm learning a lot from him. Where are you from, Kuya Jimboy?
From General Santos City.
Yeah, hi, Kuya. No, he been telling me some of the stuff about taob, about unas.
Yes.
Unas?
Yung taob, it means yung high, yan yung high tide.
Yeah,
Yung
And then-
unas, yan naman yung low tide.
low
Yung
tide.
nakikita mo na yung deep.
Yeah, and then he been telling me that like we need to be careful with the starfish.
Yeah.
Because one of your relatives, they got hospitalized with that, right?
Or a wild orchid.
Yeah, so we need to be careful. So always wear your I forgot what see like a beach
Yeah.
shoes, something like that, or wear a slippers. Yeah. Taga-Aklan po ang papa, but
Aklan nun.
taga-Aklan po si papa, pero like
Si Kuya, pinsan ko yan. First
Hello
cousin
po.
ko. Bunjubi.
Bon Jovi? No.
Kapampangan din sa side
CJ
ng
po, CJ. Hi po kayo sa vlog.
Mm.
Hi. Ipapasa ko po kay Kuya Jimboy and then you will watch it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. No, but like I don't know how to speak
Dapat matuto ka
Lalaki.
magbisaya para
I
pag
know.
napunta ka sa
pag
Ano ka na?
nangasawa ko ng Bisaya, it's easier.
Yeah.
Sabi nila, every time na I will encounter some Bisaya, sabi nila, oh, pwede ka namin ibenta. Ganon. Kasi hindi daw po ako marunong mag-Bisaya.
Pag natuto ka, unti-unti kang niyan. Kasi masubok ka na yan eh.
Opo. So, the food is here. Oh, we're so hungry. Ate, open it. Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
Wala pa. Ayan pala oh. Galing pang Canada yan.
I know.
Imported yan.
Favorite brand namin yan ni Dave.
Bakit gumagalaw?
Hoy, kuha ka nga, Makati yan. Yung ganyang bula.
Yan oh, gumagalaw.
Ay, crab.
Kunin mo yan, kunin mo yan.
Hermit.
Kapti.
Kunin mo, kunin mo, kunin mo.
Kapti.
Baka ano ha, baka may poison yan.
Bakit may bula?
Oo. Ayan yung pang di ba?
Yung oma.
Oo, yan yun. Tapos alagaan mo.
Ayun siya.
Mas mamamatay.
Saan ba?
Yung green parang
Ay, oo nga!
No,
Oo nga, ayan. This one. Ayun.
ayun siya oh.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung
Parang
tinitignan natin?
Nemo ba? Ay, ito yun.
Oh.
Oh. Ayun siya, nakita mo.
Wala ako. Ito, pakita mo yun sa video.
Yes.
Naka-video pala tayo.
Tama pala. Parang ano.
Sabi ko, i-return ko yun sa Amazon.
Ito?
Oo,
360? Bakit?
Kasi hindi ko naman makagamit yan. Hindi ko siya gusto. Tapos visit pa, hindi ko
Magkano ba yan?
900.
900 times.
Rich talaga. 30...
45. 45
Sabi ko,
na tayo.
sasabihin ko sana,
na?
sasabihin ko sana,
So,
iwan mo na lang
mga
dito,
nasa
babayaran na lang
40.
namin ang hulugan.
Oo. Pwede 2.5 lang. 2.5
Hulugan
per
ko na
month.
lang.
Baka
Or-
mamaya nakauwi na ako dito. Baka mamaya asawa ko na si Philip, hindi pa tapos na bayan.
Tapos ba yan?
Hindi, sige, 1.5 na lang per month.
0.5. Ayun. Isa pa.
We're gonna end the vlog by having dinner. Where?
Sabi nga nila,
Yeah.
bata pa lang. Sabi ko, hindi po. Nalagaw po. Kailang ng bata.
No, because my feet is so small and I asked Dave to buy sleepers for me. So, we're gonna eat! Fusion Alley ng Marvel.
Anong part? South Cotabato.
Sa Cotabato.
Oh.
So what can you say about the ride from Johnson to Marbel?
It was good. I slept.
Siyempre, polog ka, hindi mo alam.
May nangyari ba bang talaga ako?
Wala, nag-aakuan kami kung sino may astigmatism. So, Kuya Dave, what can you say about driving from Jensen to Marbel?
Yeah, it's good.
It's
Yeah.
good.
Finally.
Hour.
Finally.
It's your first time.
Yeah.
Is
Finally. Yan yung
First-
pinakamalayo
First
mo na.
time na pinakamalayo na nag-drive.
Since
Since nag-start ka mag-driving?
Oo.
Oh, bago ka lang din pala mag-drive?
Oo.
Newbie.
Newbie, yeah.
Kaya pala kinaguide ka. Sabi ko, ba't kinaguide si Tay? Kung sabi kayo din kung ano.
Ako siya nag-drive na ako noon kasi walang lisensya eh.
Pero both kayo may license.
Oo.
Oo, meron. Fixer.
So, what's up guys? Dito kami sa Ukay-Ukay ngayon. Kasi, titingin lang daw. Promise, sabi ng isa dyan. Vlogger yarn. Vlogger yarn. Titingin-tingin lang daw siya guys. May mabibili ba siya o hindi? May potential na guys. May potential lang maiuwi sa Canada ngayon. Parang potential na maiuwi sa Canada yan. At yung kasama niya, titingin lang din daw.
Kasi parang masyado malaki sa akin. Kaya I think so.
Yun lang tayo sa 5 pesos. Ayun na lang. Actually, I need blouse.
So, this is premium dress only for 35 pesos. So as you can see guys, it's really cheap. You could find blouse here for 5 pesos and that's a good price in a cheap store.
Ay, ang princess.
Alam, ganda yan.
And then make it...
Good.
I-crack mo. Dili mo lang yan.
May Oy, may potential buyer. Titingin lang daw. May nakuha na isa. Dito.
$15.
Sa
$15.
5 pesos lang yan natin. Din lahat. Sa 5, sa 5.
May video kami. May video kami.
So we got three shirts for 15 pesos. So that's like
Pesos.
ano 15 pesos sa dollar?
$20.
20 cents? No. Almost 20 cents. And it's bad. Scam. Number one scammer. Titingin lang daw.
Okay guys, thank you for watching the first day here in Mindanao. So, I tried to make it short, but it's so fun. So, have a good day and I'll see you on my next vlog. So, tomorrow we're gonna go to Davao. So, see you in Davao. Say bye. Bye, Dave. Hindi pa natakama sa Davao eh, no? And Dave and Ira. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.